Good afternoon and welcome to NYCryptoTalk. This afternoon's discussion is going to be about cryptocurrency taxes, specifically Bitcoin.tax website and its services. It is now time, it is tax season. I know a lot of people, taxes are a big topic of discussion for cryptocurrency. I personally know that I am going to be submitting my taxes and filing my crypto trades. Obviously 2017, I think we still have our leeway. Obviously there are a lot of opinions in regards to like-kind exchanges, so for 2017 purposes I am going to be using like-kind. Obviously 2017, any trades as of right now is considered a short-term gain. Obviously that sucks for day traders, it sucks for people just moving in and out of Bitcoin, especially with the market the way it is. So I am going to be talking about Bitcoin taxes. I am not affiliated with them. I did buy a premium service which allows up to 1,000 transactions for the year. Their free account I believe goes up to 100, but I did have more than 100 transactions last year because I bought multiple times, or my orders fulfilled within 10 different orders. So if you bought one thing for 100, let's say you spent a quarter of an Ethereum on something, but it got fulfilled in 10 different transactions, you're going to have 10 rows. So I took the premium account, so I am going to be using that. That's about $30, I believe. And I have a referral link down below you guys can use if you want. It definitely helps me out, helps my channel out. Doesn't make much, I think maybe 10%. But it is a good service, I personally think, just because it makes it easier for me to be able to import my trades from the different the sites, from the different exchanges. Obviously they don't support everything. They do have the big ones like Binance, Bitfinex, Bitstamp, Bittrex, BTCE, CampBX, CEX, Circle, Coinbase, Gemini, GDAX, HitBC, Kraken, Local Bitcoins, Paxful, Poloniex, Veerworks, and CSV. So obviously you can import your own comma-separated files and make your additions depending on the site. So like Cryptopia, I use this and I imported a CSV. I did the modifications myself and was able to import it. Things that are decentralized exchanges generally don't have the ability to do it, but if you go to, I believe, Delta Balances, you can actually export your exchanges from EtherDelta, so I was able to do that. Or you can manually put in your trades. Obviously for the different services like Coinbase, once you link your account to it, you should be able to just click import trades and it will pull all the trades that you made from Coinbase. Some of them use APIs, some of them use CSV, depending on what they feel is the best. So here you can see Bitfinex uses an API, which you can find on Bitfinex, and they tell you how to do it. And then things like Coinbase or Gemini, things like Binance. Okay, so for example, GDAX, so you can read it here, just so you can see. They're not actually getting access to your API to do any exchanges. They're just doing a view only, so they can view what you've purchased, what the exchange fees were, and they can calculate what you're in, out, and your total volume is. So they have different functionalities in the system. I'll just do a quick overview. Here is the trading. Like I said, you can import the trades directly from the different exchanges that they have. They are adding more. They do have a vote on new features. I have noticed in the past month since I've looked at it, they've added 1 or 2 exchanges. Income, so you can do income if you're making a salary in cryptocurrency, you're doing mining, or if you're receiving tips in cryptocurrency, you can log all that here. So trading is one thing, income is another. Spending is like if you have a credit card, cryptocurrency, you bought something with cryptocurrency, made a donation, or you shared cryptocurrency. This is where you can do it. There's an opening tab, so for myself, For 2018, when I start doing crypto tax deductions, I will update and it will automatically pull for 2017 what I started with. So it'll know that I've held it since X long. Luckily, if I keep it on Bitcoin taxes, I should be able to import it from the previous year. Obviously, they're trying to see if they are short-term gains versus long-term gains. And obviously, here on the calculate button, you can see what your long-term gains are, your long-term taxes, short-term gain, short-term loss, and your short-term tax. Here you can put in the different tax rates where you fall in. You have to go to the IRS website to get that information, or your local government's website. You can recalculate if there's any updates, but you can also choose like kind. So for 2017, as I mentioned, I am going to be using like kind as it is property as of 2017, not 2018. So I would choose like kind, and that would allow you to see what your taxes are. Obviously, if you're not cashing out to US dollar or fiat, most of the time like kind will not get taxed. Reports and export. So here you can actually do an export depending on if you're providing this to your accountant or if you are going to be downloading it and doing it yourself. You can do it in this form 8949. You can download a TaxAct file, a TurboTax file, or a file for Drake software. So this is fantastic since I use TurboTax. I just feel it's easy. I've been using it for years. TurboTax, I can download this file, import it right into my TurboTax software, and it'll automatically calculate on my 1040 Schedule D my capital gains, my capital losses, whether they're short-term, long-term, so forth. So it is fantastic, I think. The site itself, it's very simple. Obviously, you can upgrade it. There's different costs. I'm just going to log out so you can see the different prices here. So the prices and features, there are different tiers. These are the two main ones that they offer. They do have a couple in between, I believe. So $29.95 per year, up to 10,000 transactions. Okay, maybe I read that wrong then. So I have up to 10,000 transactions. And then it tells you the different things you can do. Obviously, if you're a trader, you can have import daily trading activity. There's limited and unlimited plans, so there's different ones. So different things that you can do with this site. You can also pay for the software in different actual currencies, cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. You can pay with a credit card. So it is very easy. And then there are referral links, like I said. I have a link below. If you feel like you want to try it out, I definitely recommend to do so. And then you can share it to other people. And you can use this to help pay for future things. So I advise you guys, take a look. Obviously, do your own research. Taxes are very important this time of the year. I'm hoping to get a return so I can put that money back into crypto. Yes, it is a very bleak time, very, very scary time right now with the crypto market where it is at around 450 billion. I wish I had that crypto tax deduction right now so I can actually get more crypto. So I hope you guys like it. Definitely check out Bitcoin taxes. I think there are a couple of other services out there. I just think this is easy, simple, couple of clicks, and some modifications here or there, and you should be able to import and get all your tax information out to the software. I recommend everyone do their taxes. I know crypto is new, but it is something that we should be wary of because the government will start looking into previous years like they have with Coinbase. So guys, definitely recommend you check it out, do your research, check out the IRS publications. Let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If there's any other things in regards to the crypto sphere that you want me to discuss, other than just general crypto reviews or things like this, Bitcoin taxes, I'm trying to, mix it up a little bit. So let me know what you guys think. Have a great day.